Are you ready to trade the city's relentless rhythm for the tranquil embrace of nature? Do you yearn for adventure, for breathtaking vistas, or simply a moment of serene escape? Mumbai and Pune, vibrant as they are, often leave us craving a different kind of energy. Imagine a world where ancient forts whisper tales of valor, where emerald valleys burst into a riot of colors, and where the gentle lapping of waves soothes your soul. We've curated a list of 10 extraordinary destinations, each promising a unique weekend adventure just a short journey away. Get ready to discover your next unforgettable getaway. Our journey begins in Bhandardara, a true jewel nestled amidst the Sahyadri Mountains. Approximately 170 kilometers from both Mumbai and Pune, this serene hill station is a heaven for nature lovers. It's a place where the majestic peaks meet the shimmering waters of Arthur Lake. Bhandardara truly comes alive during the monsoon, when countless waterfalls cascade down the hillsides, creating a spectacular display. You can spend your days camping under a blanket of stars, trekking to the historic Ratangarh Fort, or simply soaking in the panoramic views from Wilson Dam. It's an ideal spot for those seeking peace and a deep connection with the natural world. Next, we journey to Velas, a coastal village with a heartwarming secret, about 200 kilometers from Mumbai and Pune. This tranquil destination is renowned for its incredible conservation efforts, particularly for the olive Ridley sea turtles. It offers a unique blend of serene beaches and a profound natural spectacle. The best time to visit is between February and March, during the annual Turtle Festival. Witnessing tiny hatchlings emerge from their nests and make their arduous journey to the sea is an experience that touches the soul. Velas provides a rare opportunity to connect with wildlife and support vital ecological preservation. For history buffs and trekking enthusiasts, Rajmachi Fort stands as an enduring symbol of Maharashtra's rich past. Located around 300 kilometers from Mumbai and Pune, this ancient fort offers not just historical intrigue but also some of the most breathtaking panoramic views of the Western Ghats. The monsoon season transforms the trek to Rajmachi into an ethereal experience, with lush greenery and misty trails. Exploring its twin fortresses, Srivardhan and Manranjan, provides a glimpse into a bygone era. It's a perfect blend of adventure, history, and unparalleled natural beauty. Prepare to be mesmerized by the Khas Plateau, often called Maharashtra's Valley of Flowers. Situated approximately 250 kilometers from Mumbai and Pune, this UNESCO World Heritage Site is a vibrant tapestry of wildflowers that bloom after the monsoon. It's a truly unique ecological wonder. The plateau bursts into a riot of colors from late August to October, showcasing hundreds of species of flowering plants, many of which are endemic. A visit here is a photographer's dream and a nature lover's paradise. Remember to book your visit in advance, as access is regulated to preserve its delicate ecosystem. If adrenaline is what you seek, then Kolad is your ultimate destination. Located about 120 kilometers from Mumbai and Pune, this adventure hub is famous for its thrilling river activities on the Kundlika River. It's the perfect escape for those craving excitement and outdoor challenges. Monsoon is the prime time for whitewater rafting, when the river swells and offers exhilarating rapids. Beyond rafting, you can indulge in kayaking, rappelling, and camping by the riverside. Kolad promises an action-packed weekend, leaving you refreshed and invigorated. For the truly adventurous, Sandhan Valley presents an unparalleled challenge and reward. This hidden canyon, approximately 180 kilometers from Mumbai and Pune, is often called the Valley of Shadows or Grand Canyon of Maharashtra. It's a trek through a dramatic, narrow gorge. The experience involves rappelling, wading through water, and navigating through towering rock formations. The interplay of light and shadow within the valley creates an otherworldly atmosphere. It's an intense, unforgettable trek, best undertaken with experienced guides, offering a profound sense of accomplishment. Embark on a scenic drive through Tamheni Ghat, a picturesque mountain pass about 140 kilometers from Mumbai and Pune. This route is a feast for the eyes, especially during the monsoon, when the landscape transforms into a vibrant emerald paradise. It's a journey as beautiful as the destination itself. Winding roads, dense forests, and countless seasonal waterfalls define this stunning ghat. Stop at various viewpoints to soak in the misty vistas and breathe in the fresh, earthy aroma. Tamheni Ghat offers a perfect blend of natural beauty and a refreshing escape from urban life. Step back in time and embrace tranquility in Mathiran, Asia's only automobile-free hill station, just 80 kilometers from Mumbai and 120 kilometers from Pune. This charming destination offers a unique blend of colonial-era architecture and pristine natural beauty. It's a breath of fresh air, literally. Explore its numerous viewpoints on horseback or by foot, enjoying panoramic vistas of the surrounding plains and mountains. The iconic toy train ride up to Mathiran is an experience in itself. It's a perfect place to unwind, reconnect with nature, and escape the incessant noise of city life. For those yearning for sun, sand, and sea, Alibag offers a delightful coastal retreat. Located approximately 90 kilometers from Mumbai and 140 kilometers from Pune, this popular beach town is known for its clean beaches and laid-back atmosphere. It's an accessible slice of coastal paradise. Spend your days relaxing on the sandy shores, indulging in water sports, or exploring historical sites like Kolaba Fort, accessible during low tide. Alibag provides a perfect blend of relaxation and gentle adventure, making it an ideal weekend getaway for families and friends alike. Our final destination is a heaven for avian life and a peaceful retreat, the Karnala Bird Sanctuary. Situated a mere 50 kilometers from Mumbai and 120 kilometers from Pune, this sanctuary is a quick and refreshing escape into the heart of nature. It's a vibrant ecosystem teeming with life. Home to over 150 species of resident and migratory birds, Karnala offers excellent opportunities for bird watching and nature photography. Explore its well-maintained trails, breathe in the fresh air, and listen to the symphony of chirping birds. It's a perfect spot for a serene day trip or a short, rejuvenating weekend. From the misty peaks of Bhandardara to the sandy shores of Alibag and the vibrant blooms of Khas Plateau, the regions around Mumbai and Pune are brimming with incredible experiences. Each destination offers a unique story, a different adventure, and a chance to reconnect with yourself and the world around you. Which adventure will you choose first? Subscribe for more travel inspiration and let your wanderlust guide you.